Stop saying good. This word makes you sound 10x smarter. Virtuous. Pronounce it as virtue, as it means having or showing high moral standards and goodness. Even when the shopkeeper dropped a stack of cash, Sarah returned every penny without hesitating. Her virtuous action earned everyone's respect. Instead of saying good, say virtuous to sound more advanced. Now it is your turn. Use the word virtuous in a sentence and drop it in the comments. Follow for a brand new powerful word every single day.